It's all about the love of window screens, everybody. I trust everyone's doing good. This is Randy down here in Houston, myscreenkit.net, kingofsolerscreens.com. I was asked in a question in one of my emails not long ago about my crossbars. I'm going to spin this camera around. We'll go from... My brother actually and his crew years ago gave me this idea of separating the 20s, the 30s, and the 40s, as in like 21 wide, 35 wide, 47 wide, and having dedicated crossbars that we, of course, put the sizes on. And for the most part, as you can see, there's a lot of different sizes. And for the most part, this works great, but occasionally I can't find them because, as you can tell, there's probably 40 of them in the 30s and pretty close to that. But I do try my best to find it. So here we go, of course, of a 47 crossbar. And all this is going to do is prevent hourglassing when we roll that material. Obviously, we do not want an hourglass solar screen or a window screen, period, because it really kind of defeats the purpose, and it's not an attractive thing either. So hopefully that answers the question about the crossbars, but keep that in mind. You do not have to do it this way. Again, my brother taught me this years ago, probably a good 10 now. Him and his crew, which was his son and his son's best friend originally, they of course moved on and have moved on in life, and I encourage that, and I'm very proud of both of them. But I still occasionally would just take my widest frame, and I'll take a scrap piece of aluminum, and I'll just cut it to size each time. And by doing this is also, I'm spinning that around, this is also an amazing way to make sure that when you made your frame, you didn't make it too long, too tall, too short, whichever the case. Because that frame is going to be 47 by 59. I'm not sure if you guys see that, or 59 by 47. This is a slider. So, of course, I have my 47-inch crossbar. And get in there. As you see, that is a perfect fit. Somewhere. There we go. Sorry, I'm using this camera backwards. And that's how I taught my guys, and I'll teach all of you guys to do the same thing. This is just going to verify that 59 by 47 that you measured, that you've already cut. By using that crossbar that's already pre-labeled at that size, you will know for certain you did it right the first time. And of course, if it's too short or long, you know immediately have got to go fix something. It just kind of saves face when you're out in front of your client, your customer, and up on their ladders. You don't have to go back to the shop and build a new one. I appreciate it. You guys keep asking your questions, sending them. Oh my gosh. kingofsolerscreens@gmail.com, right here on the YouTube channel, baby. We're almost to that coveted 1,000 subscribers. I think we're 40 away from it. So if you guys would like to subscribe, please do it. Oh my gosh. It's like 10 years of putting these things together, and it's just now getting to that place where I'm just so excited. Love you guys. You guys be blessed.